Welcome to the session, dear students. In my last class, I taught you how to resolve the given fraction as partial fractions. We have discussed type 2. In my last class, we have covered what? Type 2. What is type 2? It's a repeated factor. Type 2 was repeated factor. We have done it. Now we are going ahead with type 3. In type 3, we are discussing what is called as improper fraction. So now we'll start with improper fraction. Here we discuss what is an improper fraction and we'll solve the improper fraction. Improper fraction means whenever the degree of numerator, if the degree of numerator is equal to or if it is greater than denominator, we call it as improper fraction. So let me repeat, if the degree of numerator is equal to degree of denominator or if it is greater than degree of denominator, then it is improper. Here I have written, so degree of numerator either it is equal or greater than degree of denominator, we call it as improper fraction. For example, I will write x power 4 plus 5 divided by x cube plus 2. See, observe the degree of numerator. Degree means the highest power. So here what is the degree? 4. Here what is the degree? 3. So if you observe, degree of numerator is more. So if degree of numerator is more, we call it as improper. So whatever I wrote is what? Improper fraction. First you should know what is improper fraction. Then we can resolve. What is improper fraction? If degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator, then it is improper. Not only that, if degree of numerator, if it is equal to, for example, if I have 5x square plus 2x minus 5 divided by x square plus 6. What is the degree of numerator? What is the degree of numerator here? 2. Similarly, what is the degree of denominator? 2. Both are having same degree. Degree means highest power of the polynomial. Here degree is 2, here also degree is 2. So degrees are equal. Again, this is also improper fraction. What is meant by improper fraction? If degree of numerator is equal to or if degree of numerator is greater than denominator, then it is improper. So in the first case, this is 4 is greater than 3. So degree of numerator is more. In second case, both are having same degree. So again, this is improper. So till now, in my last session, we discussed proper fraction, how to resolve. Now we are seeing what? Improper fraction, how to resolve. How to resolve improper fraction? To resolve improper fraction, first we should know what is an improper fraction. What is an improper fraction? If degree of numerator either equal or greater than degree of denominator. If degree of numerator is equal to degree of denominator or if degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator, then we call it as improper fraction. So now all of you are familiar with what is improper fraction. What is improper fraction? Observe the degrees of numerator and denominator. If numerator degree is more or if numerator degree is equal to denominator degree, then it is improper. This is also improper, this is also improper. Suppose if I write like this, suppose say I'll write 3 fractions and we'll decide whether it is proper or improper. The first fraction or first polynomial, I'll write 5x cube plus 2x minus 7 divided by x plus 1. Now my question to you, what is the degree of numerator? Degree of numerator is 3. What is the degree of denominator? 1. So therefore numerator degree is more. This is improper fraction. Now second one, let me write here. So x plus 4 divided by x cube plus 3. Is it a proper fraction or improper fraction? So what is the degree of numerator? 1. Power is 1. What is degree of denominator? 3. So numerator degree is less. If numerator degree is less, then it is proper fraction. The written fraction here, this is proper fraction. First one improper. Why? Because numerator degree is more. Second one is proper because numerator degree is less. And third one, 5x square plus 7 divided by 2x square plus 9. What about this? Is it proper or improper? What is the degree of numerator? 2. What is the degree of denominator? 2. Both are having same degree. They are equal. Again, this is improper. So improper means what? If numerator degree is more or if numerator degree is same as denominator, then it is improper. So if the given fraction is improper, first we should convert it into proper. What is meant by proper? We should convert like this, means we should make the degree of numerator less. So if they give improper fraction, First our task is to convert the improper to proper, then we need to solve. So in first step, I will teach you how to convert an improper fraction to proper fraction. So now I hope all of you are thorough with what is improper fraction. Let me repeat, what is improper fraction? If numerator degree is more, or if numerator degree is same as denominator degree, then it is improper fraction. What is proper fraction? If degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator, then it is proper. Now coming to the next concepts. Now they will ask you to resolve this. 2x square minus 7x plus 1 divided by x square minus 3x minus 4. They want you to resolve it into what? Partial fraction. If you want to resolve it into partial fraction, first we will see whether it is proper or improper. What is the degree of numerator? 2. What is the degree of denominator? 2. So I can say degree of numerator is equal to degree of denominator. Do you agree? Both are having same degree. Therefore the given fraction is what? Improper. First we should decide whether it is proper or improper. So now they want you to resolve. Before I resolve, first I check whether it is proper or improper. When I checked, it is improper. Why it is improper? Because numerator and denominator are having both same degree. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. If it is improper fraction, first our task is, in first step we should convert improper to proper. So now before we solve, first our task is to convert this improper fraction to what? Proper fraction. So now I saw the problem. I want you to resolve. So before I resolve, when I check the degrees, both are having same degree. If both are having same degree, what is the conclusion? It is improper. So now what is the step 1? So step 1 is to convert. We need to convert improper fraction, whatever they gave, I need to convert it into proper fraction. ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ತದನಂತರ we can resolve. So if you want to resolve, first convert the improper to proper. Okay, now let us solve this. Now I verified this is improper fraction. Step 1, we will convert improper to proper. So step 1, let us convert improper to proper. So we will divide this. What is the denominator? X square minus 3x minus 4. This is the divisor. I will divide the numerator with this. So what is the numerator? 2x square minus 7x plus 1. Let us divide this. So first observe the highest degree term. 2x square is there. Here we have x square. So multiply 2 to this. So quotient is 2. 2 into x square is 2x square. 2 into minus 3x is minus 6x. 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. Now all of you know how to divide polynomial. So now subtract this. When I subtract, 2x square cancels. All of you know while subtracting you should change the sign. Minus 7 plus 6 becomes minus x, and this will become plus 1 plus 8 becomes plus 9. After I subtract, I will get this, and we know this. So we call this as what? Remainder. We call this as what? Quotient, and we call this as what? Divisor. This is the divisor, this is the remainder, this is the quotient. Now after dividing, when you see this, this should have degree less than numerator. What is the numerator degree? 2. When you check this remainder, its degree is 1. If its degree is again 2, then we should continue. So now I taught you how to divide. After dividing, you should know what is the quotient. Quotient we got is 2. What is the remainder? Remainder what we got is minus x plus 9. What is the divisor? Divisor is x square minus 3x plus c. After you divide, we should write the given problem. So now let us write the given problem. What is the given problem? They have given 2x square minus 7x plus 1 divided by x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to, I can rewrite it as quotient plus, what is the quotient? 2 plus remainder. See, remainder I got minus x plus 9. See, minus x plus 9, can I write it as 9 minus x? Always we say in life, be positive. First we will write positive term, then I will write negative term. So positive 9 first, then minus x plus 9 and 9 minus x. So remainder, in spite of minus x plus 9, I call it as 9 minus x. 9 minus x divided by divisor. What is the divisor? Divisor is x square minus 3x minus 4. So now we wrote the given fraction can be written as quotient plus remainder by divisor. Quotient plus remainder by divisor. Now you see this is the given fraction. Now we got this as the fraction. So now this is proper because numerator degree is 1, denominator degree is 2. So given problem is written as 2 plus this. So always remember this given problem can be written as quotient plus remainder by divisor. Given problem can be written as what? Quotient plus remainder by divisor. What is the quotient? 2 plus what is the remainder? Minus x plus 9, or I can call it as 9 minus x divided by divisor. What was the divisor? X square minus 3x plus 4. I hope all of you understood the first step. In first step what we have done? We converted the improper fraction to proper fraction. Before, see, we cannot resolve into partial fraction without converting. Nodi, improper fraction proper fraction convert ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ರೀಸನ್ ಏನು? ಸೊ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಏನಿದೆ 1 ಇದೆ, ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನಿದೆ 2 ಇದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್. ಇಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ as what? Proper. Now this is proper fraction. And how to rewrite? Given problem can be written as quotient plus remainder by divisor. The given improper fraction can be written as quotient plus remainder by divisor. What is the quotient? 2 plus what is the remainder? 9 minus x divided by divisor. So this you should know, and you have learned it in your high school, in your basic maths, you know this. Now we have to rearrange this. So 2x square minus 7x plus 1. So given problem, so 2x square minus 7x plus 1 minus 7x plus 1 divided by x square minus 3x minus 4, x square minus 3x minus 4. This was given, and I wrote this as 2 plus 9 minus x divided by x square minus 3x minus 4. So we have reached a stage. So this problem can be written like this. Further, if you see, denominator is a quadratic equation. So only this part I have to resolve. So I call this as equation 1. Now I will take the fraction. So I have resolved it into 2 terms. In the second term we have a fraction. I will resolve this fraction into partial fraction. From here it is simple. It is type 1. So now first, if I see this denominator is a quadratic equation. First let us factorize this. So x square minus 3x minus 4. So let us factorize. So what are the factors for minus 4? Minus 4 can be written as, in between we need to, middle term should be minus 3. So can I write it as minus 4 into 1? Minus 4 into 1. Minus 4 ones are minus 4. So I will write x square minus 4x plus 1x minus 4. Further I will take x common, x minus 4. Here I will take 1 common, x minus 4, and in these 2 terms x minus 4 I will take common. If I take out x minus 4, what is left out? X plus 1. All of you know middle term factorization. So now we have done middle term factorization. After we do middle term factorization, coming to this given problem, 2x square minus 7x plus 1 divided by x square minus 3x minus 4 was given. I can write it as 2 plus 9 minus x divided by x minus 4 into x plus 1. So this was given. I wrote like this. Further we simplified. So now going ahead, now we got 9 minus x divided by, if you see the past slide, we got the factors x minus 4, x plus 1, x minus 4, x plus 1. So this is what we got. Now this is type 1. From here you can easily solve. Do you agree or not? How to resolve this into partial fraction? This can be written as a by first factor. What is the first factor? X minus 4 plus b by second factor. What is the second factor? X plus 1. Now further continue. So all of you know, take LCM. What is the LCM? X minus 4 into x plus 1, cross multiply a into x plus 1, then b into x minus 4, and all of you are familiar with type 1. I don't think I need to explain anything because in my first session, in your first session, you have learned type 1. So now both are having same denominator, it will cancel, and we call this 9 minus x is equal to a into x plus 1 into plus b into x minus 4 as a preliminary equation. Let me call this as 3, this is 2. So now in this, at a time equate one factor to 0. What is the first factor? X minus 4, equate it to 0. If I equate x minus 4 to 0, what is the x value? That implies x is equal to, we will get 4, minus 4 akkada hogata. So put x is equal to 4, put x is equal to 4 in equation 3. When you put x is equal to 4 in equation 3, in the place of x if you put 4, 9 minus x, what is x value? 4. 9 minus 4 is equal to a into 4 plus 1 plus b into 4 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5, a into 4 plus 1 is 5, and 4 minus 4 is 0, leave it, b into 0. Actually, I taught you in my last class. So, whenever equating x minus 4 to 0, wherever x minus 4 is there, you can leave that, directly you will get a. So, now 5 by 5 is a. You got the value of a. What is the value of a? 1. Similarly, get the value of b. How to get the value of b? Put x is second factor. What is the second factor? First factor we have done. So, now second factor is what? X plus 1 equal to 0. If you put x plus 1 equal to 0, x will become minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1 in equation 3. In 3, if you substitute, here we have 3. So, in the place of x put 3, 9 minus 1 is equal to, so if I put minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0, this vanishes, just you have b minus 1 minus 4. Simplify this, 9 plus 1 10 is equal to b into minus 5, and b is exactly, and the b value is what? 10 divided by minus 5, 5 ones are 5 twos are, you got b as what? Minus 2. So, you got a and b. So, actually I no need to explain all these things because in session 1 you have learned type 1, how to resolve type 1. So, now a value you got 1, b value you got minus 2, substitute it. So, now we will go to the problem. What was the problem given? If you refer the problem, so in the beginning they gave 2x square minus 7x plus 1, x square minus 7x plus 1 divided by x cube minus x square minus 3x minus 4. Same problem we will write, and we wrote it as 2 plus 9 minus x by this, and we have to resolve it. So, now the final conclusion, let me conclude the answer here. So, now this equation 1, 2x square minus 7x plus 1 divided by x square minus 3x minus 4 can be written as, we got it. So, I am substituting in equation 1. So, 2 plus, in spite of 9 minus x by x square minus 3x, if you see the next slide, so we wrote it as what? A by x minus 4 plus b by x minus 5, a by x. So, if you see the factorization, x minus 4 and x plus 1, x minus 4 plus b by x minus 1. Now, just now in the last slide, we got values of a, b, c, minus 2, 4. Let me rewrite this. This can be written as 2 plus a. What was the a value? A value we got 1, b value we got minus 2. 1 and minus 2. 1 by x minus 4 minus 2 by x plus 1. This is the final answer. So, whenever they give improper fraction, convert it into proper fraction. After you convert it into proper fraction, there you will have one proper fraction, convert that one proper fraction to partial fractions. This is a final answer. Finally, we got the answer, and the answer is a proper fraction. So, the given problem can be written as 2 plus a by x minus 4 plus b by x plus 1, and a and b we got the values. A is 1 divided by x minus 4 and b we got minus 2 divided by x plus 1. That is the final answer. So, you can see we resolved it into partial fraction. Any doubts? So, now practice this. What is proper? If they give improper, what you should do? Convert it into proper. After you convert it into proper, rewrite this. So, first convert improper to proper. In that you pick that proper fraction and resolve it into partial fraction, then write the final answer. This was the quotient, this was the part where we got partial fraction. So this is the final answer. So in today's class you learnt two things. One, converting improper to proper. Second, after you converting it to proper, resolving it into partial fraction. So by this we have concluded type 3. In my next session I will be giving practice questions of type 1, type 2, type 3 all together, then we will conclude partial fractions. So for coming session, get ready to practice all the types, type 1, type 2 and type 3. See you in my next class. Thank you.